One of my favorite things to do in the early fall is go out and target some panfish. And I love to catch panfish. Not only are they delicious to eat, but they're really fun to catch. And in the fall time, we go out and we love to do this drop shotting technique. We use little small flies, rubber ants, the skin flies by the fly guy. He makes some real nice ones. We'll take a little number 8 true turn hook and we'll tip it with a piece of crawler, or we like to use a wax worm, crickets, things like that. And we go out and we just try to catch a variety of fish. And we're primarily after the big bluegills because that's what trips my trigger. But in the meantime, we catch, pumpkin seeds and red ear sunfish, and sometimes we get crappie and jumbo perch and even largemouth or smallmouth bass. It's just a mixed bag. But it can just be a great time, and it's so easy to do. We love to drop shot and just get out there and drift with the wind. And until we find those fish and strike gold, then we throw the marker buoy over and go back and anchor up and just try to catch as many as we can. And it's just an effective technique to, it causes you to cover a lot of water. I think that's why the technique works so well, and at least in my opinion. And it's just a blast, and I encourage everyone to get out and try to do that. And it's just so much fun. When you catch those big bluegills in that deeper water, they'll turn sideways. And my favorite rods to use by Lamiglas is the Infinity series. Comes in a 7-foot and a 7.6. Those rods are my favorite panfish rods of all time. And for the working man, we have the X11 freshwater series. Those come in a 6-foot, a 6.6, and a 7-foot. And it's just a good time. It's a good time. It's a way to take the whole family out. Even kids, get kids involved, and it's a great time, and I encourage everyone to get out and try some of this fall pan fishing. It can be big fun, and the action can be absolutely insane. As many people know that, most fish definitely put on a feed bag just before winter, and the action can be fast and furious and just a lot of fun. So I hope you enjoy this video, and thanks for watching.